Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your Xiaomi TV Stick supports Chromecast built-in and plug it into HDMI with the original power adapter for stable current. Next, turn on the TV and use the remote to open home screen settings, check Wi-Fi and note the network name. Meanwhile, grab your phone, enable Wi-Fi, and make sure it's on the same network as the TV. Once done, open Google Home. You're ready to discover devices and begin casting right away. Now you'll connect and initiate casting. Open Google Home, tap Add, then set up Device and choose New Device. Follow prompts to find the Xiaomi TV Stick. When the app shows a setup code, compare it to the code on your TV and accept to pair. This prevents wrong device pairing. After pairing, use the cast icon inside apps like YouTube or Netflix, or mirror your screen via phone settings cast. Make sure to adjust volume on both TV and phone. Buffering issues may need a quick Wi-Fi reset. To finish, stop casting from the app or tap Cast Stop on your phone. You'll regain full TV control. If you're keeping the stick, go to Settings System About to check for updates and install them. Updates improve stability and codec support. If the TV stick freezes, unplug the power for 10 seconds, then plug it back in to force a clean restart. Troubleshooting tip: if devices won't see each other, reboot the router and ensure multicast or device discovery isn't blocked by guest network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.